Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for October 26, 2018. Today we're taking a look at the USDCHF, the US dollar, versus the Swiss franc for today's trade analysis. Of course, as you can see here on the daily time frame, we're close to the top of the trend, or near the top of the blue trend line for the dollar franc. The question is, will we see the blue trend, the rising trend, continue? Or, in a similar fashion, like the last time we were in this area, the two blue circles on the left hand side of the chart, will we find resistance and reverse again? So right now I think we need to focus on the trend. We focus on the direction the market's currently going in, rather than assuming it's going to reverse like it did the last two times. We wait for the evidence that's going to do that. Until we get evidence of reversal, we will continue to focus on the direction the market's currently going in. We are now challenging the parity level 1.0. We're challenging above that right now. We're challenging what is our resistance zone, the green shaded area between 1.0010 and 20. So we're going to focus on the trend, looking for, at least at this point, a breakout above resistance. We do have some news coming up about a half an hour from the recording of this video. Advanced GDP data coming out of the U.S. Some other U.S. news later in the day, 10 a.m. Eastern U.S. time, but advanced GDP may have an impact on the U.S. dollar. If it's higher than expected, we could see the U.S. dollar continue to surge. If it's lower than expected, we could see a little bit of a pullback here. But all in all, we're at the top of the trend, cautious about buying, waiting for the right moment and set up to buy, but also being aware that there's a potential of reversal, but waiting for the clues and evidence of that. Let's zoom it in on the current market price a little bit. You can see the pattern that we've been studying in the live trade room, the congestion back here, support rally, congestion, support rally. We're in an area between 99, 80, 65, pink zone, green zone 1001020. We're challenging that 1001020 level, the green zone, today. And if again you look back at those two blue circles, you know that if it gets above the green zone, the yellow zone 1004565 is our next resistance target, and that's pretty evident by the two blue circles back here on the left hand side. 4-hour time frame gives us a little bit of a closer view of this. Again, let's go ahead and zoom it in a couple of times. Take a look at what's happened over the past few days. We saw the dip to the blue zone, the rally, the break of the pink zone, rally, dip, rally again. So again, what it's about for me is looking for the real deal break. We don't want a false break. We want a real deal break. I don't want it to just challenge this green zone. I want it to get above this green zone before I have confidence that it's going to continue its upside pressure. So I'm looking for the market to close, open and close above 10020 before I gain confidence that it's going to continue to go higher towards the yellow shaded area. We'll talk about strategies of entry later on in the trade room. Rather than just entering on the push through 10020, we'll talk about strategies for those entries in the trade room. But I needed to break here before I can buy towards the yellow zone. Otherwise, if it suddenly gives us some reversal, let's say GDP comes out and the market's not happy about it, we would look for clues and evidence of reversal, potentially even looking for a short back down towards the pink zone or lower if it's a strong reversal. So watching for one of these two things, the break above 10020 for the continuation higher and the rising US dollar, or sudden reversal for the US dollar and a turnaround for the day today for the dollar franc.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.